In this video, we are making LED cube of 3 into 3 into 3. For this, we need blue LEDs, sandpaper. You can use any different type of LED for this. First, we have to diffuse all these LEDs. After diffusing these LEDs, the LED will not glow brighter. Fold the LEDs in this way to make LED cube. Join them together in this way. Solder them perfectly. Fold it in this type so that our positive and negative does not get connected. Make 3 more. Cut a steel wire of its length for joining all together. Now our cube is ready, and now we will connect wires, jumper wires to the positive pins. These are positive and these are negative pins. I connected 10K resistor to negative pins. Now connect all jumper wires to positive pins and Arduino to pin number 2 to 10. Connect negative pins through registers to pin number 11, 12 and 13 to Arduino. Connect all pins to Arduino and upload program after it. Program is given in description, you can check it. Upload program for different LED styles. I am giving here two different examples of code. You can make more, otherwise you can tell me to get more.